Welcome to Asset Panda, NGH's asset and equipment management system. In this video, we will look at reserving and checking out equipment. Log into Asset Panda using your normal login and password. Using a piece of equipment or a vehicle is a two-stage process. First, it has to be reserved. This will ensure that it is available for you to use. Next, it is checked out. This is when you actually pick up the equipment. This can be likened to booking a room at a hotel. First, you make the reservation. Then, when you arrive at the hotel, you go through the check-in process. To make a reservation, click the Reserve button in the top right corner of the screen. The new reservation window will appear. Enter the reservation period in the From and To fields and click Next. On the next screen, select the employee who is reserving the equipment. You can then choose either equipment or a vehicle by clicking the drop-down arrow on the left-hand side. For fleet, simply scroll down until you find the required vehicle. For equipment, there are two ways of searching for it. The simplest way is to type the name into the search bar, then press Enter. For example, if I type Anabat in the search bar, it will give me a list of all Anabats across the company. Those that are not available will be greyed out. If I need to find specific equipment, say cameras at the Sydney office, I can use the filter button on the right-hand side. This has the same fields and values as for a normal search. I'll select Category and the value will be Field Gear. Next, I'll select Subcategory. Then the value will be Cameras. Next, I'll select Site Location and scroll down to Sydney. Once all filters have been applied, I'll click the Apply button at the bottom. By using the scroll bar at the bottom, I can find out the make and model of the cameras. To select the camera, click the box on the left-hand side, then click Next. You will receive an email notification 30 minutes prior to your designated checkout time. However, this can be changed to hours or days as required. Then press Confirm. If you are using your phone or tablet to reserve the equipment, you can simply bring the item up by scanning the Asset Panda barcode that has been attached to it. To check out an item that you have previously reserved, click on the Calendar tab. Select the Reservations view. You can either scroll down until you find the reservation or use the search function to find it. Select the item by clicking on it. Click the blue Checkout R button on the right-hand side of the screen. If you are checking out a vehicle, you should add the mileage out and put the project number in the notes box. When your booking has been completed, it is important that you check in the equipment so that others can make future reservations. To do this, go to Calendar, click Reservations, then the Ongoing tab. Select the equipment, then click the blue Check-in R button on the right-hand side. If it is a vehicle, you should complete the mileage in and enter the project number and trip purpose in the Notes section. You can do reservations, check-ins and check-outs on your phone by clicking the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Reservations can be checked in three different ways. If you have a number of the same item, The easiest way to check their availability is by filtering. If, for example, I want to find out how many GPS units are available, I would click the Equipment tab. Then click the filter icon. Clear all previous filters by clicking the X beside the icon. Click Category in the Fields column, then select Field Gear in the Values column. Next, select Subcategory in the Fields column and GPS in the Values column. Further filters can be applied, such as site location if necessary. Click Apply. You will be provided with a list of all GPS units owned by the company. If you scroll to the right-hand side, you will see the status column, and this will show you which units are available. Reservations can also be checked via the calendar. This is especially useful for vehicles. Click on Calendar at the top of the screen, then click Month. Next, click Fleet on the left-hand side. You will see all reservations for all vehicles. You can click any of the items if you wish to see further information, such as who booked it or the length of the reservation. To check on a particular item, such as the availability of a particular vehicle, go to the Fleet tab, then scroll down to find the vehicle. Once you have selected it, click on Reservations on the left-hand side of the screen. This will provide you with a complete list of all reservations for that vehicle. If you have booked an item, then find it needs to be modified or is not needed, it is simple to amend or cancel the reservation. First, go to the Calendar tab, then select Reservations. Find the reservation and select it. Then simply click on the pencil on the right-hand side to edit it, or the trash bin to delete it. If you have any problems using Asset Panda, you can use the chat function at the bottom of the screen, and a customer service representative will assist you. Alternatively, you can contact the NGH Systems Manager. Thank you for watching this Asset Panda user instructions video.